Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How to tie or untie the propellers of DJI Mini 5 Pro drone. This is the new drone I have. So they have new system to tie the propellers, as you can see that. So it will be a bit tricky initially for anyone. So I will be showing you how you can tie or untie. So firstly, to untie that, if you see that, see on the top, and this is the top of the drone where you can see the start button. This is the power button. So you have to just pull the string and it will open, and now you have to slightly press, don't press hard. So that is how you will open the case. So this is the one. So now I can fly the drone. So you can open in the new drone. The good thing is, as soon as you open the propellers, it will turn it on automatically. I will show you. See this one. See, the drone is turning on automatically. So that is the good thing. And when you close the propeller, within few seconds it will turn off. So
aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
See this one, within 5 seconds the drone will turn off. So now you have to learn how to tie the propellers. See, both the propellers should be hold like this, and from the back also you hold like this. Okay, so to tie the propellers properly, so hold the drone like this. As you can see, the camera is facing down and the power button is on the back here. So I am holding like this, and after that, so once you hold like this, so this is the cover you have. So the string is hanging below. So now you have to put up like this and you have to press. See, like this. So it is joined from the top. So now on the bottom, see, like this. Now you have to put up the clip like this. See now. So now you can properly put up the propellers safe. See, like this. So this is the correct way. You need to tie the propellers so that it is not damaged when you are carrying in the carry bag. So this is the correct way. I hope guys you enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another video on drone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.